All right, the drink we're about to make is called Almond Cocktail. We're going to take a rocks glass, fill it up with ice, and measure out 2 ounces of gin. There's 1 and 2. We're going to follow that up with 1 ounce of dry vermouth. Slow pour. And now we're going to give it a splash of amaretto. It's kind of up to you on how much amaretto you want to add here, but that's going to give you your almond flavoring. So, depending on how much you like your gin and vermouth to be flavored with almond, that's how much amaretto you're going to add. Stir it up, and we'll add a straw, and you can garnish that with a cherry. There we go. Almond cocktail, bottoms up.